Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will walk you through on how to master Notion's search function. Navigating through your extensive content is a breeze with Notion's powerful search feature. Here's how you can efficiently locate what you need. When seeking a specific page or content piece, simply click the search button at the top of your left-hand sidebar. For even quicker access, employ the keyboard shortcut Command or Control plus P or Command or Control plus K if your cursor isn't within a block. Enter your search term at the top of the search window. Beneath, you will find a list of your recently viewed pages and previous searches, enabling instant jumps. Pro tip: enhance your workflow by holding Command or Control while clicking any result to open it in a new tab or web app, or a new window or desktop app. Notion Search is designed to simplify your exploration, making your content discovery seamless and efficient. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.